Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you a real quick and easy dinner that the entire family can enjoy. You're gonna need just a few ingredients to accomplish this dinner that the entire family can enjoy. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. You can follow me as I go along, and all the ingredients will be in the description box. So you'll be needing some Irish potatoes. So as you guys can see, I have a few here which I'm going to go ahead and stick some holes in because we are going to be baking these potatoes. So I'm just going ahead and punching some holes as comfortable as I can make, as comfortable as I want it, and you can make as many holes as you wish. And then after I make these holes, I'm going to go ahead and wrap each potato into foil paper so that they can bake really nice and through each potato. So after I add the foil paper to each potato, I'm going to go ahead and add them to my baking sheet. Now you don't need to add nothing to the baking sheet apart from the potatoes that you wrap into the foil paper, and stick them in the oven and put your oven to 1 hour. Now in a small pan, I'm going to be adding I'll be making some cream to add to the potatoes when they finish, to give the potato a really nice taste. So I'll be using sour cream and heavy cream, which I'll be bringing to a boil. That's the only thing I'll be adding to the pot, with a little bit of salt. And if you have all-purpose seasoning, you can add some of that to the sour and heavy cream also. Just bring that to a boil and you can make sure that you have a nice consistency. Now get right onto the pork chops. As you guys can see, I have a few pieces here. I am going to be adding some salt to these, and then I'll be adding some all-purpose seasoning. You cannot go wrong with all-purpose seasoning. It doesn't matter what you use it on, especially if you buy the Jamaican all-purpose seasoning or probably any Caribbean all-purpose seasoning. It's really good for just about anything that you're making. All-purpose seasoning will make it taste delicious, and you can add it to just about anything. Now I heat a pan with a small amount of oil, and then I add a few pork chops to. Now you don't need a lot of oil, you just need a little bit, because you just want the pork chops to cook on each side, 3 to 4 minutes on each side. After your pork chops are finished, you take them out and you let the excess oil that is on it drain off, and you have a perfect looking pork chops. Your pork chops do not need to cook for long. If you have tender pork chops like the ones that I have, they'll be perfectly cooked and be ready to eat in no time. So now by the time you finish all of that, the potato should be ready. I use a kebab stick, and I just stick through the potatoes to make sure that it insert properly and insert through and through. When you do that, then you know that your potato is cooked and ready to serve. So I take out my potatoes, and you guys make sure you use something that you don't have to feel the heat. But I'm a Jamaican, and y'all, we take heat like nothing, so I am okay not using anything to touch these hot potatoes. So I go ahead, I use a knife, and I make a X into my potato, and I just squeeze it together to get that mushy look in the middle of the potato. And then what I'm going to do right now is transfer it to the plate. And as you guys can see on my plate, I also have some vegetables, because you need vegetables on your plate. Okay, I'm gonna add my sour and heavy cream that I bring to a boil earlier on top of the potato. You can put the amount that you desire. You don't have to put a small amount like I did. Then to make it even more delicious, I'm gonna go ahead and add a few shredded cheese on top of that. Oh my god, I'm just salivating right now. And look at that, it looks so good. Now you can take however amount of your pork chops and add it to the plate, and voila, dinner is ready. Hopefully you guys try this recipe and let me know how it goes down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.